Okay, we are in lesson 43, and this is surface area. I'm on page 294. This goes through 299. Now, before we do anything else in surface area, what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask you to take a sheet, and the sheet has squares on it. And what you have to do is you have to imagine that you have to wrap a cube. Yeah? All right, we are on lesson 30. All right, we are on lesson number 43. This is surface area. I'm on page 294. We're going through 299. Now, in surface area, the first thing that you have to be able to do is you have to take a look at a cube, and you have to imagine what that cube is going to look like when it's flat. So I'll construct these. If we look at this, it has 6 sides. We see that we have a bottom, top, left side, front side, right side, a front side, and a back side. So if we laid that out, what would it look like? If we broke this thing apart and flattened it out, it's going to look something like this. I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste this. So we're going to have, come back here. Like that. So if we laid this out, we'll call this the bottom, and this would be the left side, and this would be the right side, and this would be the top. I'm sorry, that would be the back side, and this would be the front side. Can you imagine how all of these would fold up, and then this would be the top? Now there are different ways that you could create this. A jacket for this cube. We could do something like this. I'll leave it like that. So the first thing that we're going to do is I'm going to give you a sheet, and on that sheet I want you to see if you can create, there are 11 total unique individual jackets to wrap the cube. I want to see of those 11 how many you can come up with. That's the first thing that we're going to do on this lesson. So if you get to this point in the video, just stop and see me, and then we want to see how many of these 11 cube jackets you can come up with.